What if I told you that your financial future is already written by your money personality? Most people don't realize that the way they handle money isn't random. It's a pattern that shapes their entire wealth journey. Are you stuck in the cycle of struggling to save, constantly overspending, or afraid to take financial risks? The way you think about money is either building your wealth or silently holding you back. In this video, we're diving deep into the psychology of money. We'll uncover your unique money personality, how it affects your ability to build wealth, and most importantly, how to break free from any limiting habits. Stay with me until the end, because by the time we're done, you'll have a clear path to turn your money personality into a wealth-building machine. And if you want more insights on money, investing, and financial freedom, hit that subscribe button now so you never miss out on life-changing financial tips. Segment 1. The Psychology of Money and Your Wealth Journey. Money isn't just a tool. It's a powerful force that shapes our emotions, habits, and financial future. Our beliefs about money dictate how we earn, save, invest, and spend. These subconscious patterns determine whether we build wealth or struggle financially. The book, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, reveals a fundamental truth. Financial success isn't about intelligence. It's about behavior. Even the smartest people can make poor financial decisions if their money mindset is flawed. Conversely, those with the right habits, discipline, patience, and long-term thinking often accumulate wealth, even without a high income. To truly master money, we must first master ourselves. Understanding the psychology of money is the key to unlocking financial freedom and long-term success. Segment 2. How your money personality shapes your wealth. Understanding your money personality helps you recognize strengths and weaknesses in your financial journey. Let's break down the 5 main money personalities and how they impact wealth building. 1. The spender. Strengths of the spender. Enjoys life, embraces abundance, and isn't afraid to use money. Weaknesses of the spender. May struggle with saving and fall into debt cycles. How to overcome. Set clear financial goals, create a spending plan, and focus on mindful spending. Automate savings before spending. 2. The saver. Strengths of the saver. Financially cautious, disciplined, and prepared for the future. Weaknesses of the saver. May avoid investments due to fear of losing money, missing out on growth opportunities. How to overcome. Learn about investing and take calculated risks to grow wealth. Remember, money should work for you. 3. The risk taker. Strengths of the risk taker. Bold, entrepreneurial, and willing to take chances to build wealth. Weaknesses of the risk taker. May engage in speculative investments or lack financial stability. How to overcome. Balance risk with strategy. Diversify investments and have a safety net before making bold moves. 4. The investor. Strengths of the investor. Thinks long-term, focuses on wealth accumulation, and understands financial growth. Weaknesses of the investor. May overanalyze decisions and miss good investment opportunities. How to overcome. Set clear investment strategies and avoid paralysis by analysis. Learn to take action when opportunities arise. 5. The achiever. Strengths of the achiever. Hardworking, goal-oriented, and driven to create wealth. Weaknesses of the achiever. May prioritize wealth building over personal fulfillment and relationships. How to overcome. Balance work and life by setting financial milestones that align with personal happiness and well-being. Segment 3. Why the psychology of money matters in wealth building. Your money mindset can be either your greatest asset or your biggest obstacle. It dictates how you handle financial opportunities and challenges. Many people struggle financially not because they lack income, but because they don't recognize how their beliefs and habits around money influence their decisions. If you constantly find yourself living paycheck to paycheck, hesitant to invest, or stuck in a cycle of overspending, your money personality is likely at play. The key to overcoming financial struggles is self-awareness. Understanding your tendencies allows you to develop strategies that align with your strengths and help you overcome weaknesses. When you shift your mindset to one of growth and discipline, you'll start making intentional financial choices that lead to long-term wealth building. Segment 4. Practical steps to overcome money personality roadblocks. First, analyze your spending patterns. Take a deep dive into where your money goes each month. Awareness is the first step to making smarter financial choices. Next, set smart financial goals. Make your financial goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound to stay on track. Third, develop a solid investment plan. Understand your risk tolerance and create an investment strategy that aligns with your long-term goals. Then, automate your finances. Set up automatic savings and investment contributions to ensure consistency in wealth building. Finally, surround yourself with financially savvy individuals. Join a finance community, seek mentorship, and learn from those who have successfully built wealth. Segment 5. How to start investing and build wealth. Investing is a crucial step in building long-term wealth, regardless of your money personality. Avoid speculation and emotional investing. Stick to time-tested strategies that match your risk tolerance and financial goals. Start with the basics. Invest in diversified assets like index funds, ETFs, or dividend stocks to create steady growth over time. Choose the right brokerage platform that aligns with your investment needs. Before investing, build an emergency fund covering at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses to protect yourself from financial shocks. Stay patient and consistent. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Final thoughts. Your money personality and your future. Your money personality plays a crucial role in shaping your financial future. Recognizing where your habits help or hinder your wealth journey is the first step to achieving financial freedom. Remember, small, consistent changes in mindset and habits can lead to massive improvements in your financial life. The best investment you can make is in your own financial education. Keep learning, growing, and taking action. Join the Wealth for You community. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Wealth for You and turn on notifications so you never miss valuable financial insights. Leave a comment below. What's your money personality and how are you working to improve it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.